Woohoo! Voila! What on earth is this? A seat post shim that had slid down into the frame or something. That's heavily corroded. Twisted as well. No idea, at least we got it out. I'll run a reamer down here now and tidy that up and then hone it out and get it smooth, ready for the new post. So it's another one done. Was not expecting to have to remove that thing though. Believe this. There's another one down there. Let's see if I can just zoom in. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. You just about see that there? It's another shim. See if we can get that out. There it comes. Oh, that's a piece of carbon fibre with a weird slot in it as well. That is definitely it now. Don't think this will focus. We'll take it over to the desk. Show you what this is. I mean, I don't know what felt are doing or whether someone else has put this in, but there you can see there, carbon fibre tube. It's really nasty at the end there. It then had this in it as well, so we had this in the bottom of the frame, just above the bottom bracket that had slid down maybe, and then this was inside that. Both are very jagged, and then this was kind of bottomed out on that, and it's not the bottom of the seat post, and it's almost like someone's cut it, but yeah, you can see there it tapers off at the end, and this one is the same, but it's got kind of weird bit cut out at the end of that. But yeah, it's not nicely finished either way. Don't know, any ideas? Put them in the comments, but I hate it when they say that. There we go. Yeah, I'll be interested. Anyone who deals with carbon, or even if you've got an idea, I don't really understand what's going on there. I've never seen random tubing left in the bottom of a frame. It's literally, I could hear it rattling around before I even started the job. But yeah, I just thought it was a bit of debris, but there's definitely nothing else in there now. So we should be good to clean that back and clean that back to some slightly fresh metal, and yeah, refit a new post and get it back to the customer. Anyway, that's that one for today. Remember to subscribe.